Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill and welcome to the 7th class of my MS Publisher for Beginners. In this class we'll try to learn all about Review tab and View tab. So without any further ado, let's get started. And welcome back to the world of Microsoft. So we have got some of the options there. Like we have got the first option, spelling. Well, this is the option that if you have any sort of spelling mistake inside the paragraph or inside the data you have, if you are making sure that whether or not you have spelling mistakes, make sure to go and click on spelling. So anywhere you'll be having spelling mistake, that will be detecting that word. Like for example, we have got teaching, but I is not there, it is missing. It means this is sort of spelling mistake. So if you want to change that all, you have to be going for this option, and if you want to ignore that, you can remain this on its own place. So you will definitely change that all because this is sort of spelling mistake. Make sure to click on change all. Now you can see that it has changed. And we have got the second option, research. Make sure to click on it and select that. This is sort of option. If you want to have the meaning of that, go for research option and make sure to click on treasure English United States. That will be bringing sort of meanings of this word. And similarly we have got treasure option, which will also be doing something same. Make sure to go and click on view, and we have got some of the interesting options there. We've got normal page, that means that is normal page, and there we have got second sort of option, which is known as master page. Open the master page view to edit the design and layout of your master page. Well, master page is some sort of editing option. If you want to edit something on one page, that will be working in all of the pages, or that will be edited in all of the pages. Make sure to click on master page, and over there we have got many sort of options. Like if I go for insert tab, and over there I take this, maybe this, and type there Google. Okay, let me drag that and put it there. Now I have put it there. What I have to do is to go for master page there, close master page. Now this is present on the first page, so let me make the second page, that whether or not it will be coming on the second page too. Make sure to right click, insert page, hit OK. You must be observing that we have got the same Google style or word on the second page also. So that is what the thing is working like. If I click on this will be bringing sort of boundary there. If I click on it, guides, it will be removing ruler, it will be removing the ruler. Page navigation, something that is present there. And we've got this zoom option there. Click on it, it will be zooming it 100%. Whole page, it will be zooming the page, something like that. Make sure to go and click on it, it will be zooming the page so much. Make sure to click on 100% and make sure to go for page width, that will be zooming it out like that. That will be zooming it in like that. Well, there is an option which is known as select object. Let me bring sort of a shape there, and this time make sure to go and select object. So whatever I select will be zooming. Arrange all, cassette. Let me make a new window there, file, new, hit OK, and this time go for view, arrange all. So that will be arranging all, something like that. make sure to click on this option. This will be working something like that. Switch windows, we've got two sort of windows there, publication 1, publication 2. If I click on this, that will be the second window, and if I click on it, this is the first window. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.